Hello everyone. Welcome to Echo English Podcast. A new year has begun. Not just on the calendar, but in your life. This moment is special. Because you are here. Because you want to improve. Because you want to change. Maybe last year was hard. Maybe you tried to learn English. Maybe you failed. Maybe you stopped. And maybe you felt disappointed. But listen carefully. Failure is not the end. Stopping is the end. Every fluent English speaker you admire today was once afraid to speak. They also made mistakes. They also felt shy. But they did not quit. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big words. You don't need confidence today. You only need the courage to start. If your voice shakes, speak anyway. If people judge you, speak anyway. If you make mistakes, speak anyway. Because silence will never teach you English. Practice will. This year, don't promise motivation. Promise discipline. 5 minutes a day. 1 sentence a day. 1 small step every day. That is enough. Do not wait for confidence. Confidence comes after practice. Not before. Speak English when you are alone. Speak English in front of the mirror. Speak English while walking, cooking, traveling. Broken English is better than silent English. Your accent is not your weakness. Your mistakes are not your enemy. Your fear is the real problem. And fear disappears with daily practice. This new year is giving you a second chance. A fresh start. A new beginning. You are not late. You are exactly on time. You don't need to be perfect this year. You only need to be consistent. Some days will be hard. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will want to quit. But remember your dream. Remember why you started. Remember the future you want. English is not just a language. For you, it is confidence. It is growth. It is opportunity. This year, choose progress over perfection. Choose courage over fear. Choose practice over excuses. Look at yourself and say, I will not quit. I will practice daily. I will speak English confidently. And when this year ends, you will not be the same person. You will be stronger. You will be confident. You will be proud. This is your year. This is your time. If this message touched your heart, start today. Practice English every day with Echo English Podcast. Like this video. Share it with someone who is learning English. And subscribe for daily speaking practice. Remember, speak English. Believe in yourself. And never stop. Happy New Year. Party Popper Sparkles.